Hello everyone, my name is Isabel and welcome to the very first video of my channel. Today I turn 24, yay! It is my champagne birthday or golden birthday, so I've turned 24 on the 24th of November. And I finally decided it was time to let the world follow me in this route of my self-discovery. Over the course of this next year, I will be documenting my very first container build. So what you, the viewer, should expect over the course of the series is all the research that I'll compile together, from materials to demonstrations to price tags. So my budget for this whole project that I'm planning will be $100,000. That will include the land, the shipping containers, and everything else in between. To save on labor costs, I'm hoping to do most of the work myself. I do understand things like electricity and plumbing. You do need to hire a professional, so I'll have to make sure I budget for those accordingly. Have to keep in mind of hiring an architecture and an engineer when it comes to certain kind of things within your project. I'm hoping to do some of that stuff myself, but I'm just gonna have to look into things. I do want this project to be under code. Currently, I am a full-time college student at Cape Fear Community College. At Cape Fear Community College. Made it. I'm gonna count it down the shirt. I think I should have the right one. Let's see it going in. That was a lot of work. I guess I won't need that. Where I am studying construction management. So I can go and help build affordable housing in communities across the world. I was working doing Uber Eats the past few months. However, the 4th of this month, I got into an accident and currently do not have a car. That being said, I am currently unemployed and still waiting for my insurance money to come in so I can hopefully buy a car at the end of this month, and then I can continue going back to work. Ideally, I'll continue doing deliveries on my own schedule. Also start volunteering with Habitat for Humanity again to get some of that more hands-on experience in the field versus my college experience in the college. I also love doing arts and crafts, such as sewn face masks that have adjustable elastic earpieces, are 3-layered, and it has a filter pocket in case you need to have like a little bit more filtered safety. I also love to crochet hats and other things. Doing different kind of art pieces, from kind of realistic, humanist people or creatures, cartoony animals, which I'm hoping to make these into prints and stickers, so if people are wanting to have anything fun like that. Currently, I have a zebra that I'm also trying to work and finish up on. Working on a rainbow fat blue jay. It's more rainbow than blue, but you know how it goes. If you would like to help support me by purchasing any of the kind of crafts that I like to do, I'll have a link of that kind of information hopefully in a different video when I get my shop more up and going. Next, video outline. So for the next video, we will be focusing on the planning process of the project. So kind of all the things you would want to look at, like why would you want to do X, Y, and Z instead of A, B, and C. We'll look at the benefits of green building, how much more would it cost, what is an energy efficient mortgage or EEM/a green mortgage, tax benefits, a HERS rating, third-party proof, housing sizes, and what the heck is a charrette. It's been real. I'm just out here breaking my book. Put that back together, I guess, sometime. Unleash your creative spirit to help support the cause. If you have any questions or comments about what you would like to expect, please comment on the video below. If you would like to support a young female construction chick, please like and subscribe to follow her journey in the construction process. I just don't know how to end this, and it is great. So we're gonna have a great year, y'all. A great year. Until next time, this is Isabel signing off.